Suddenly they were seen, they had climbed on a motorbike. When, and how they climb, I do not see. But, let them learn to climb, because they are animals who like to climb. They have a lot of curiosity about what they saw. Sometimes, they do dangerous things without them knowing. Behavior like this can put them in danger. They can fall. After being separated, they are now on different sides. Donna screams on the motorcycle handlebars, even though she's the one who climbed.
Come on, support this channel by like, subscribe, press the bell to update the latest videos.
Donna was still calling and screaming, I don't know why. I don't know. Donnie looks like he wants to get closer to Donna. He tries to get up on the handlebars. Donna and Donnie, hugging on the motorcycle handlebars, very dangerous. Let alone animals, humans sometimes do not realize, if they are in danger. Donna's still upstairs, calling out to Donnie over and over.